Do you think I'm about to tell you to eat boiled, soggy cabbage like it's 1999? No!
But if you want to know why this humble vegetable is suddenly the biggest wellness trend of 2026, stay right here.
The cabbage soup diet is back. But this isn't the starvation plan of the past. It's had a major glow up. In an economy where groceries cost a fortune, we are all looking for a way to eat clean without going broke.
We're ditching the starvation mode and embracing the metabolic reset. It's about volume eating, not deprivation.
The secret isn't just the cabbage, it's how you cook it. If you do it wrong, you bloat. If you do it right, you glow.
And rule number 1, forget the 7-day torture cycle. The 2026 protocol is smarter, faster. Let's build the glow-up version. We are swapping the old ingredients for gut-healing powerhouses.
First mistake, water. Never use plain water. It has 0 protein and leaves you hungry in an hour.
Swap it for bone broth. This adds 20 grams of collagen protein instantly. It protects your muscle while you lose the bloat. Next, the heat. We are adding fresh ginger and turmeric. These are anti-inflammatory weapons that wake up your metabolism. It shouldn't smell like sulfur. It should smell like a high-end restaurant kitchen. That is the ginger working its magic.
Step 3, the sauté. Do not boil your aromatics. Sauté them in olive oil first to unlock the flavor profile. Add the cabbage last. And here is the texture hack that changes everything. Keep the crunch.
If you boil it to mush, your brain thinks it's a drink. If you chew it, your brain registers a full meal.
Finish with cracked black pepper. This activates the turmeric and maximizes absorption in your gut. This isn't diet food. This is a nutrient-dense, hydrating, high-fiber meal that costs less than $1 per bowl.
You've got protein, you've got fiber, and you've got hydration. The holy trifecta of weight management. And so what happens when you eat this, you aren't burning fat immediately. You are flushing water weight. When you cut carbs and up your fiber, your body releases stored water. That's why you see the scale drop so fast. It's the perfect de-bloat tool. Great for post-vacation, post-holiday, or just when you feel heavy.
But here is my 2026 rule, the 3-day reset. Do not do this for a week. You will burn out.
After 3 days, your metabolism adapts and slows down. We don't want that. We want a quick reset, not a crash.
Use it for 3 days to reset your palate and stop craving sugar. Then move back to whole foods. It's also a financial reset. You can save nearly $100 on groceries in a single week by doing this.
So is the cabbage soup diet back? Yes. But let's leave the 1980s misery behind and keep the results. Smart ingredients, better protein, and a 3-day limit. That is how you make this sustainable.
I have written out the full glow up recipe with the exact bone broth measurements in the description below. If you're gonna try the 3-day reset, comment #soup survivor down below. Let's do this together.
Don't forget to subscribe for more nutrition hacks that actually make sense. See you in the next one.